Hello there.
Hello.
What's your name?
I am Lucas.
Excellent. And Lucas, what is going on the couch and the table here in front of me?
Well,
Here in front of you.
bad side, good side. Well, not one of these on the bad side is not really on the bad side. But what we have over here is we have Iron Man, Spider-Man, a Lego guy, a T-Rex, but it's supposed to be Godzilla.
Okay.
Hulk. This might be a small spoiler if you haven't seen Godzilla yet. This is the bug, the female bug from Godzilla.
Okay.
Pikachu.
Pikachu's very bad.
Well, yes.
Yes, okay.
The guy from Star Wars that the clones went in to defeat the bad guys to defeat the Sith at the end of the second movie.
Mm-hmm.
I have no idea who this is.
But he's bad.
Yes. Yoshi. I'm sorry if Yoshi is your favorite Mario character.
I do love him.
And Toothless, which is not actually on the bad side, he's actually on the good side, but he got like hypnotized, so he's now on the bad side.
Oh. And then on the table are all the good guys.
Yes.
We probably don't have time to go through each and every one of them, but I'm seeing dragons.
So there's like 4 Toothlesses,
Yes.
I think.
There's a bunch of dragons. There's a bunch of Lego guys.
Yeah.
Is there Luke Skywalker?
There's a few Luke Skywalkers.
Wow.
And there's a Darth Vader, a few more Yoshis, the Lego Army.
What's the difference between the good Yoshis and the bad Yoshi?
The good Yoshis are small.
Yeah?
The bad Yoshi is big.
Aha. I noticed that. The guys in the bad guys tend to be bigger than the good guys.
We also have Bad Cop and his
Oh.
awesome hovering police mobile.
Of Lego movie fame.
Yep.
This is sizing up to be an epic battle.
Oh, speaking
Who's
of,
going to win?
I have no idea yet.
You don't know yet?
I'm still trying to think about it.
Oh, okay.
Should it be the bad guys or should it be the good guys?
When you set up a battle, do the bad guys ever win? Do they win sometimes?
They win time to time, but
Yeah.
usually the good guys win.
I think if they have Hulk, Iron Man, and Godzilla, they're going to be very tough to beat.
But they have Toothless, and Iron Man. Oh,
Well, they have a mini Iron Man. The good guys have a mini Iron Man.
this is Meatlog is about as strong as Hulk.
Oh, really? I didn't know he was that strong. You know what else, too, though, eh? On the good side, they have a couple Luke Skywalkers and Darth Vader, so they've got the Force.
Yes.
They have the Force. So that's quite the equalizer. Hey,
Yep.
you're off camera. The star of the movie's off camera.
Sorry.
There he is.
And there's also 2 more good Yoshis. So any more questions about this?
I don't think so. Do you want to bring this film to a close? Or do you want to have them go at it right now?
I think that should be in another video.
That should be another video?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the end of your first video about epic battles between good guys and bad guys. Lucas, signing off.
Peace out.